Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have a stable internet connection, but you cannot find your favorite games on a Google Play Store in Amazon Fire HD10. So let's start with opening a Google Play Store, and here let's try to find Call of Duty Mobile, for example. As you can see, there's this icon, but if we click on it, nothing happens. And to fix this, go back to your home screen of a Google Play Store, click on a profile picture, navigate to the settings, select family, enter parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or go for apps and games, enter the PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards, and if you go back again for the Call of Duty, it should be available to install right there. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.